Hey everyone, I'm Tonio and welcome back to TonOrbital. It's been a while since I made a video for you, but with the help of Andros, I'm finally back. I really appreciate everyone who stayed around and kept supporting the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to buy Telegram gifts. We'll buy gifts from portals, Getgems, Fragment, and also directly on Telegram using stars. Along the way, we'll also see the difference between off-chain and on-chain gifts. We'll also move gifts from on-chain to off-chain and from off-chain to on-chain, so you can understand how everything works after buying them. By the end of this video, you'll know different ways to buy Telegram gifts and how to manage them across different platforms. Let's get started. First, we're gonna buy a Telegram gift from Portals Market. Let's open the mini app. Here on the main page, we can see different gifts listed with their prices. We also have filters, so we can sort gifts by model, price, collection, and more. Here we are sorting the gifts from low to high in price. Now let's look through the gifts and find something we like. This gift looks cool, so let's open it. Here we can see all the info about the gift, and since we like it, let's hit the buy button. But as you can see, we don't have enough balance, so we're gonna add it to our basket by tapping the basket button. As you can see, we now have one item in our basket, and if we tap on this, we can see all the items in the basket. Now let's add some balance. On the top right corner, we can see our current balance, so let's tap on it. Here we can see all our recent actions, and we also have two options, withdraw and deposit. But before we can use these options, we need to connect our wallet first. So we'll hit the connect button, choose our wallet, and then confirm the sync. Now we're back in the mini app. Let's hit deposit and choose how much TON we want to add. For this tutorial, we're gonna add 5 TON. After we hit the deposit button, we need to confirm the transaction in our wallet. And done, our TON has been successfully added. Now let's go back to the store page, tap on the basket button, choose the item we added earlier, and hit pay with TON, and that's it. The gift is now purchased. If we go to the My Gifts tab, we can see the gift we just bought. When we tap on it, we have two options, withdraw and sell. We'll go through selling in one of our next videos, but for now, to get full control over this gift, we need to withdraw it. So we'll hit withdraw, choose withdraw one gift, and confirm the small withdraw fee. And that's it. As you can see, the bot has sent the gift to us. Now, if we go to our profile tab, we can see the gift has been added to our account, and we are now the owner of it. Next, let's buy a gift with stars. First, we need to open Telegram and go to the settings tab. Here we can see an option called send a gift. Let's tap on it. Here we can send a gift to someone else, or by choosing ourselves, we can buy one for our own account. Now we can see the gifts that are available to buy. But since we're looking for collectible gifts, we'll go to the collectibles tab. Now let's choose the Snoop Dogg collection. Here we can see all the gifts that are for sale in this collection, and if we look closely, some of them have the TON logo on the corner. This means those gifts can be bought with TON. Just like stars, TON can also be added to our Telegram account. Now let's look for a cool gift that can be bought with stars. This one looks cool, so let's tap on it. Here we can see the gift details. To buy it, we just need to hit the buy button. Then we confirm it by tapping buy one more time. And that's it, we bought the gift with Telegram stars. Now if we go back to our profile and open the gifts tab, we can see that this gift has been added to our account and we are now the owner of it. Next, we're going to buy gifts from Getgems. First, to use Getgems, we need to connect our wallet. So we'll hit the connect button on the top corner. Choose our wallet and then confirm the sync. Now that our wallet is connected, let's go to the Telegram gifts section. Here we can choose a collection we like. This one looks good, so let's open it. Now we can see different ice cream gifts, but some of them are tagged as on-chain and some are tagged as off-chain. When we say off-chain, we mean gifts that are inside Telegram, and when we say on-chain, we mean NFTs that are minted on the TON blockchain. The good thing is, with Telegram gifts, we can move them from on-chain to off-chain, and from off-chain to on-chain, which we will also do in this video, but here, Getgems gives us the option to choose which type we want. Let's first buy an off-chain gift, like this one. Here we can see the details of the gift. Everything looks good, so we'll hit the buy button. Then we hit buy again to confirm. Next, we need to confirm the transaction in our wallet, and that's it. Now we bought the gift. After buying it, we have two options. We can either transfer it to another address, or we can withdraw it. Since this is an off-chain gift and we want to receive it in our own Telegram account, we need to withdraw it. But before we do that, we need to make sure we can receive the gift in Telegram. So first, we send hi to the ID that is mentioned here. After that, we need to connect our Telegram account to Getgems. To do this, we tap our profile icon in the top corner, then tap Connect Telegram. Here we enter our phone number and confirm it inside Telegram, and done. Our Telegram account is now connected to Getgems. Now we can go back and continue the withdrawal. We tap the shopping cart button, and then we tap the shopping cart icon at the top of the screen to finalize it. Next, we hit continue and confirm the transaction in our wallet. And that's it. The gift has been successfully sent to us. Now if we go to our profile tab in Telegram, we can see the gift has been added to our account and we are now the owner of it. Now let's buy an on-chain gift. This one has fewer steps because the gift will be added directly to our wallet. This one looks cool, so let's get it. First we hit the buy button, then we hit buy again to continue. Next we confirm the transaction in our wallet, and that's it. The gift has been added to our wallet. From here we can send it to any wallet address we like. But right now, the gift is only in our wallet, so we can't show it on our Telegram account yet. To show it on Telegram, we need to move this gift from our wallet to our Telegram account. For this step, we're going to use Fragment. Make sure your Telegram account and wallet are connected to Fragment before continuing. Here we hit the 3-line icon, then choose My Assets. Next, we open the Gifts tab. Here we can see all the gifts that are inside our wallet. Now let's choose the new gift we just bought. On this page, we can choose where we want to send the gift. Since we want to show it on our own Telegram profile, we'll choose our own account. Then we hit Send this NFT. Fragment will ask us to confirm the send one more time. After that, we confirm the transaction in our wallet, and that's it. The gift has been sent to our Telegram account. Now if we go back to Telegram, we can see the gift has arrived. And if we open our profile, we can see the gift has been added to our account and we are now the owner of it. Now let's try to move a gift from Telegram to our wallet. Basically, we're moving the gift from off-chain to on-chain. Before we do this, there is one important thing to know. The gift needs to be at least 2 weeks old after purchase. If the gift is newer than that, we won't be able to move it yet. So let's choose one of our older gifts. We'll tap on the gift, then choose transfer. Here we have two options. We can type someone's username and send the gift to another Telegram account, or we can choose send via blockchain. For this step, we need to use Fragment again. So let's open Fragment and make sure our Telegram account and wallet are connected. Now Fragment shows us the transfer details. Here we can see an option that lets us send the gift to our wallet while still showing it on our Telegram profile. We want to keep showing the gift on Telegram, so we'll select this option. Then we hit Transfer NFT. And that's it. The NFT has been received. Now if we go to our wallet, we can see the gift there, and we have full control over it. And if we go back to Telegram and open our profile, we can still see the gift there too. So now the gift is on chain, but it can still be displayed on our Telegram account. Now let's buy a gift from Fragment. First, we go to the Fragment website and make sure our wallet and Telegram account are connected. After that, we go to the Gifts tab. Here we can browse different gifts, and we can also use the filters to find something based on what we like. Now let's choose a gift that looks good and open it. Here we can see all the details of the gift, like the price and information about the item. Once everything looks good, we'll hit the buy for 3-ton button. Next, we need to confirm the transaction in our wallet, and that's it. The gift has been successfully added to our wallet. This gift is on chain, so right now it's inside our wallet. If we want to bring it over to our Telegram account, we can do it the same way we showed earlier. And that's it, we made it to the end. Now you know how to buy Telegram gifts and move them between Telegram and the blockchain. More Telegram gifts videos are coming soon, including selling, auctions, and more, so stay tuned. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to TonOrbital, and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Also, join our Telegram channel and group chat to stay connected. And make sure to follow our X account, Orbital, for more Ton news, updates, and extra TonOrbital content. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before buying, selling, using any platform, or investing in any digital asset. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.